Hi guys, welcome back to the Challenge Sisters, and today, the camera fell. Today we will be fixing our bad and just remaking practically our slimes. So my sister is going to get hers, and yeah, when she gets hers, I'm going to go get mine. So yeah. So basically, say I have like a jiggly slime, or say I have like a butter slime and I want it like cloud, or like I'm gonna change the color and I'm gonna turn it to a cloud. So I'm just basically remaking my slimes. And my sister's being slow. Okay, I'm just gonna go get my slimes now because so we got our slimes. I have one, and we got an ingredient.
I got 4.
I brought one for now. So this slime, I want to change the texture.
I'm starting with the slime.
And it's a little stiff because I was fixing it, and it got stiff, and there's some chunkies in it. And I want the color a little lighter, and I want to change the texture, so I'm going to add a pump like that. That looks so cool. And this is made with the slime kit that Vampy Gaming made for me, so yeah. So the baby powder is making it stiff, so I'm going to need some water, and I'll be right back. So yeah.
I'm going to entertain you by making a big mess.
Seriously? I'm going to fill this with water.
This is super messy. This slime is super sticky. So I don't like activating the slime at all. Add a bunch of activator. There's a big chunk right here. Don't throw that over there.
I brought this over, the water, because, yeah, it needed to be filled. So I filled it. And the water in my hands is differently. Ew, there's a giant hair. Yeah.
Yeah, from you.
Yeah.
Because your hair is giant.
Well,
and it was blonde.
Yeah. Right, so
I need this activator.
In. I'm using my spray bottle for something else. I don't want to use it for activator. I already have my big bottle, so. Okay, so here it is. I like it, but it's still stiff because I didn't add any water. Oh, wow, that's stretched. And it's super cracky, this slime. Also, every time I add baby powder to my slimes, they get so crackle-lackle. I can't add too much water because this might not even fit in its container if I add too much. I'm going to have to add
Did you see that?
That much. Okay, there. I put it in the container. I can instantly feel it getting better, and the foam beads are going to start sticking to me because it's wet. Oh no, or not. Oh, I found a googly eye. This is why it's Gerald the Slime. It has a googly eye that Vampy also included. Because, yeah.
Especially it's one.
Yeah, this is going to be my pouring cup. So I'm going to add water in here and just pour it.
It's like a dish, not a dish, like a Tide container thing. Whenever you add it in, you put it in this little cup and then dump it in the clothes.
There's water all on the sides. So I'm going to get that and then show you me kneading it. Okay, I think I'm done with this slime. I think I like it.
I like this one a lot.
I'm just going to get the excess water.
Super
and
stretchy.
I definitely like this. It got so much better.
This is literally when making it.
There. You forgot about the bagging. Okay. Your slimes are like always thick. Oh no, the slime is too big. I'm gonna have to knead all the water in. Because like, oh my, the googly eyes.
There's probably more slime in the bag than out.
Oh my god, there's a lot.
I'm gonna get this inside out.
That's what I did. Just tap it on the slime.
Yeah,
And just like, dap it.
like this.
Yeah, I know that.
It's super sticky.
I love using my iPad. Because, like,
Ooh,
So-
clean out.
we have our first slime done. We're going to finish up. And then we're going to go get our second. Well, she already has hers here. But me, I'm going to go get mine. There, I'm going to swirl it in the container. Like this. Oh no, that's hard. Oh no. Oh no. We won't be making videos for a while because my mom is going to have a baby, so. In a
Yeah,
while.
only for a few seconds. No, I'm kidding.
There, I got this one done, and I'm going to get my next one.
And we're gonna be checking on your mama. And be seeing if she's okay. I think this bag is pretty clean, so I'm gonna slime in the bag. Ah! It's gonna be getting out soon. Oh no. Oh yes, yes. I did it! 6-1 slime. Now I'm on Nando's.
You guys are probably thinking, oh my god, that is a humongous slime. But no,
It's actually
quite small. It's my blue foam slime. I haven't played with this in forever. Oh my god, it turned into like a butter slime. Lily,
Whoa.
stop.
it smells.
You got pink. Yeah, I know. My nose is plugged in now. I'm gonna add baby powder. First of all, to help the smell a little. That's a lot. And to change the texture a little.
Oh, this is actually pretty good. I
There's-
thought it melted.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna also get some soap.
So I'm just gonna add a little bit
I'll
of
be right
activator.
back. I just have to go get some soap. Wait,
No soap, Alexia.
it's so good. It's just to scent it.
I love this one so much. I'm getting so much color in it. I'm literally washing my hands in this. Like, but look at that. It's a lot darker on the camera. But here, it looks so pretty. Like, super pretty.
I got the soap.
I love this.
And it smells
Color.
so good. It smells so good.
After all, this slime doesn't need to get washed. Washed.
Fixed. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. It's melting it.
This is super thick. Like
It's melting it. No, I like it. How it was. I don't want it thin. Well, it is buttery, so. I remember this slime used to be a butter slime. What?
a butter slime. Then
It was
you
a
added
clear
the-
slime, then I turned it into a butter slime, And then it got bad, the butter slime, so I just turned it to this. And it's still buttery till this day. Because I had this for such a long time.
Yeah, like more than a year.
And since I'm touching it once in a while, and there's no food that went near it or in it, it's not moldy or there.
Look at that.
It's super
Wait,
nice.
watch this.
So I think this one's done.
Listen to this.
Bad can do that. Not as good though. Oh, this one's thick. I'm gonna have some baby powder.
I want some. Don't use it.
I scored some in hers. Wait, look. I like the smell of baby powder.
Do you want-
Stop.
Do you want some of that?
Yes, I will take that in a second. Once I mix all of this in, and then I'll be complete. I want this one more thick. It is getting thick though. It's because the crackles aren't that good.
Pretty. In real life, like right by me, it looked so freaking pretty.
Yeah, I've never made a swirl with this like in a long time. Because it used to be my favorite. Yeah, it failed.
I used to have blue slime, and then it got super hard, and it smelled, and
We threw it out. We'd leave it by the fire every night. Because in the wintertime, we'd have a fire, and we'd leave it by the fire every night, and
they would sweat.
like, it wouldn't get fixed. Like, nothing would fix it. Lotion, nothing.
Nothing. And it smelled so bad. It smelled like sweat.
Yeah.
Because it's been by the fire so long.
Yeah, this is not that good at crackles. It used to be super crackly, remember? Okay, there. So I'm done with this slime. Wait, jeez.
Imagine we put it inside the fire.
I would just melt it way too much, and it would, I don't know, it would melt the container too, along with it. There's the baby powder. So I'm going to get my next slime.
I'm picking up my slime. I'm getting my next slime. I already got 2 slimes fixed. 2 more to go. These 2. Yeah. This one I think was the worst. Wait, maybe not. Because these could be bad too. I'm going to check on this one. That's a bit sticky. Well, I guess I'm on my purple one now. I already opened the bag. So, yeah. Activator. You're so handy. That's my activator.
This next,
Oh, it almost got my hair.
this next slime feels like water. That's how sticky it is. And we have no more borax, so I'm going to go make some. We'll add water and then add the borax.
Oh man. This is super sticky. I'm going to activate the slime first, and then I'm going to clean out the bag. Yesterday, I played with that blue slime. My hands were freaking dyed. They're dyed again. Slime is so glossy. Look. Pretty out. I definitely don't want to add any baby powder. Because that could ruin all that. Is Charlie up?
No, she literally just got down for a nap. Okay, so I'm going to add the activator in.
Our brother is at hockey camp. Our sister's sleeping, and the baby's in the belly, and we are down here. 5 kids. The diapers for that new baby is so freaking tiny. They're literally like this big. They're literally that big.
One more. Okay, there.
I love this.
Because if you need power like activator, so I'm just gonna put the borax away.
This is all I'm gonna do.
Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do.
These has a little bit of chunks. Well, this
I need
has a little bit
to
of
wait
chunks.
for this to dissolve. So
Look. This is so friggin' glossy.
oh my god.
And do you see it? It's so pearly. I definitely put clear glue on this. I
Yeah.
had to.
Yeah, you always.
This, I think this is my unicorn slime.
Yeah, that was our unicorn slime that you copied, babe. I just spammed a ton of activator.
Wait, this is literally clear. What
Okay.
is this? Wait, I'm gonna make a bubble. I wanna see this. Is
Oh, there.
this true moment? Is this clear? Oh my god, that's clear. Wait,
It's because it's made with clear glue. You made it with your clear glue, then added a tiny bit of white glue. That's what you did. Okay, I got this slime out, and my clear slime turned like brown. I feel the glitters.
It was gold.
It was
Ooh,
a
that's
gold.
activator.
Yeah, that's activator. It's like I don't want activator anymore.
I just got slime and freaking glitter in my slime.
Lily is so annoying because she puts her stuff all in front of the camera. It's the annoying thing in the world.
Like, this is so pearly. It doesn't show that it's like
It looks
colored.
gray.
It looks
kinda.
dark. Like over here, it's super light.
Oh god, I kind of over.
It's even lighter over here.
Well, listen how thick that is. Wait. Like,
I love living in Canada. It's amazing here.
I'm gonna dye this gold.
Oh, I'm
Because-
gonna dye. I can't really dye this. I like this so good.
Because
And it's so stretchy. We have acrylic paint, and it makes our slimes a little bit stiff. And
it depends how much you add.
yeah.
Yeah,
If you add a lot, it melts. It's
There's like
crazy.
none pink left, so I'm gonna mix pinks. I changed my mind. I'm not going for gold. I'm gonna mix pinks because we have like
It's gonna turn like brown or something.
no. I'm mixing pink.
No, that's my favorite pink.
Well, too bad. This is for
Yeah, it's like the magenta color.
I don't care. I'm just mixing all of them. We have 3 pinks and one is like a reddish, more darkish, and that one I'm doing last. You guys will see. So the colors I'm using is the first one was neon. This one's party. This one's funfuscia, and then this one is
I like the fun
the red one. Very, very. It looks more red on camera than it is. That's why I'm adding a little. They're so pretty. Lily, don't. Lily is so annoying.
It's gonna turn this pretty.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so pretty. If you guys can see what I'm seeing. Because what I'm seeing is so pretty.
Make it Insta swirl.
I'm going to. Oh my god, that is
Show them.
so pretty. It does not look as pretty on camera though. On camera it looks just like red. I've officially turned it pink. Oh my god, I love this pink.
They're so gold though.
It's so gold.
Ooh, I like that pink.
I love this pink. It looks so red on camera. I don't know why. Camera, I've never really liked you. and it got super
Maybe
thick.
because it's a tablet, it's not like that good quality.
Yeah, it's not good quality.
Yeah.
Look. It's
We
so
used
thick.
20 minutes already.
Okay.
We have 53 minutes.
And 20 seconds.
Should I put this in my hair? No.
No. You don't.
If I would put it in my hair, I would put it like at the bottom so that I would be able to get my hair cut.
No, she wants a haircut.
Yeah, because Jason doesn't like my hair. He wants me to get a haircut.
Jason who?
Jason, right?
Oh,
But it's not all because of that. I still want my hair to get cut.
yeah, you've been wanting your hair to get cut for a long
Mom
time.
made me an appointment.
I didn't get an appointment, but I got an appointment for getting my hair dyed.
I want my hair dyed.
You're
I'm gonna
getting
ask
yours
Mom.
cut, and mine's getting dyed.
I'm asking Mom to get mine
Because
dyed.
my hair's super light.
You still have pink
Yeah,
dye.
we're using some pink dye here, and then we're getting it maybe bleached.
What?
So it's only maybe for the appointment.
I won't get it bleached.
Well, I'm never getting my top bleached. Okay, I think I'm done with this one.
I would only get like my bottom bleach because the top. You
Okay,
kind of.
we're gonna make a part 2 to this. I hope you guys enjoyed.
No, not yet.
Stop.
There's still my green slime.
I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, share.
No, we're still going. I still got my green slime to go.
No, that's gonna be in the part 2. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, like, share. Turn on our post notifications, and so you'll get notified every time we post. Bye.